welcome back to my channel. It's Maris Explains It All. Today we are doing the next video in my organizational series, tackling the bathroom organization. So I'm going to start with under the sink, and this is a problem area for a lot of people because we have so many different things to try to fit into a small area, and a lot of times we hold on to things that maybe we could have thrown out a long time ago or that we really don't use very often, and then those things kind of get jammed into a little basket maybe, or just kind of loose in the bottom there of the cabinet, and it ends up looking like a mess. So today I'm going to let you see inside my messy cabinet, and we'll take a look together at how we can make it look a lot better. So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. I'll be right back. This is my cabinet before. My toddler loves to come under here while I'm getting ready and pull everything out and make a mess, and so I end up just shoving everything back in, but I can't really see what's in the bottom of that huge basket and it doesn't look great. And my hair drawer is similarly disorganized. It has way too many things going on. I tried to organize with this little bin, but it's too big for the space. Too many bottles, and everything just kind of ends up getting shoved in there and shoved in the back. And my facial drawer is the same. All my skincare items are just kind of a mess and can't really see what's going on. So step one to any organizing project is to take everything out and dump it in a big pile on the floor. I gave my cabinets a little bit of a wipe down at this point, and then it's time for step two, which is to sort into piles. So throw everything away that you're not going to use and then sort the remaining items into the categories that you'll have. And so I ended up with 6 categories, and step 3 is to buy things for your items. So I bought some containers. I found this set here. This is actually 3 sets from Amazon, about $11 each. And I like how they just pull out completely and then they nest back in together so they don't slide around, and they stack nicely. And I also made some labels with my Silhouette Cameo and put those on because I always think that makes it look nice and finished and complete, and you can see exactly what's in there. And so I ended up with nails, toiletries, face, hair, teeth, and body. Next, I bought this turntable, this 2-tiered turntable for all of my hair products that were going to be too tall to fit. And I also bought this heat tools organizer to hold all my heat tools, and this set of organizers for drawers. I got 25 pieces for $23, which I thought was a great deal, and I use it for all of my drawer organizing, like my junk drawer. So now it was just time to start taking what I had sorted and arrange the items back in. And so I took a look at what I had and just went category by category, placing items in and sliding them back in. So teeth was fairly easy. I found that for body, some of my things that were larger didn't fit, and this is the only drawback to this size drawer. It was fairly small. It did fit some of my gloves, my exfoliating gloves and bath bombs, but didn't fit a whole lot. So make sure you measure and pay attention to the dimensions of these containers or whatever you end up buying, because it was a little smaller than I thought, and it really only fit some of the smaller items that I was looking for. But I just went category by category. With hair, I was going to store the larger hair products in the turntable, so I just stored the smaller things like little masks or little hair combs that I don't use very often. For nails, I do store my nail polish somewhere different where my toddler can't reach it, and so this really just held my press-ons and my semi-cured nail gels. For heat tools, I went ahead and stuck this on the back of the cabinet, and it was perfect for just holding all of my items, just curling iron, beach waver, the round brush, blow dryer, and regular blow dryer. Went ahead and stuck everything in there. I did keep the basket for some of the taller items. I just didn't have as much in it. And then I went ahead and used my turntable to stack all of my taller hair products. And I just love the functionality of that. It looked really great when it was done. I'm in love. Definitely a lot better and cleaner than it was, and I could see everything now and reach it. And then hair was the same. This is so much better than it was. The organizers are a much better size. They're so much better laid out. I can see where everything is, and it's just sorted perfectly into their own little bins. So that makes me very happy. So now when I open up my cabinets, I just see a very nice, clean tower full of everything that I'm going to use and nothing that I'm not. And it's all here and ready and accessible for me to use. So that is everything. As you can see, much simpler, much cleaner. It looks so nice now, and I can find everything just at my fingertips. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help. And obviously, I would love to have you subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time for the next organizational video. Bye, guys.